A wild scene on the Capitol Beltway near College Park this evening. Take a look at this. You see the car right there? Red car on your screen? Traffic coming to a standstill so that driver could do donuts in the middle of the highway. Steve Dresner from our news partners at WTOP sharing that video with us. Police say...
All right, little car. All right. Damn, that bitch is sick. I think that's a 5.7. Bitch is clean. Is that a 5.7? Yeah, so we got a little car meet. We got my bitch right there. We got, as everyone calls him, Crazy White Boy's truck. That's what everyone was calling you yesterday. I was like, fuck, I fuck with that name. I got this bitch. I'll go follow my man's top slider out here. And we got this little Chaley. And then, yeah. We about to see what's about to go on tonight. First car meet and that new cat. Let's get it. What up, y'all? We out here. Got my man's up here. Go sub to his channel. He just ran over my foot. Y'all see the channel?
Come on, not that, bro.
Nah, I'm just messing, but...
I'm like, what? You ran on my foot.
You were just like sitting there. I was like, I can't even move or nothing.
I didn't know I didn't do it.
I didn't even see you pull up. I was too busy on the phone. But shit, nah, this bitch is nice. Go sub to his channel. We about to shoot some shit while I'm here. Y'all gonna see some sliding action for real. But yeah, let's see what tonight has. It's my first car meet with the new Hellcats, so let's get into it.
Swinging lessons.
Yeah, just ran into my man's right here. He said he was follow the channel.
Right, follow me, that boy Bone on IG.
I bet. They really took it over. Like, what the hell? Damn, look at all that shit. Yo, what? I'm all the way back.
To stay behind him. That's
I
why we
was
hit the
trying,
road.
but people kept going on.
That's why we hurried up and hit the emergency lane.
Bro, it's backed up all the way.
I know it is. I got right there saying, what's smoke?
They down both ways.
Everyone got out there watching this shit.
Nah, they're recording.
Bro, this is like 696. We're on the lodge with it.
Oh, yeah.
I was trying to get you to stay behind him. That's why we hit the road.
Yo, way up here. Holy shit.
We hurried up and hit the emergency lane. They're going crazy.
Bro, it's
No,
backed up all the way.
I know it
We're
is.
so stoked.
I'm like, where? I got right there saying, what's smoke? Oh, shit.
They down both ways on this shit.
Everyone got out there watching this shit.
Nah, they're recording this shit.
Bro, this is like 696.
Damn. They taking this shit over. You got the door open.
Shit crazy, bro.
Police say this played out about 7 o'clock tonight. In addition to the dangerous situation, cars revved their back wheels, creating smoke. Officers went to that scene, asked the people to leave. No arrests. Things are back to normal now.
That's the purple Charger.
That's all you hear is them just revving it.
First couple hours with the Hellcat, we're already out. Oh my god. What? He just popped his tire in one of the turn lanes or something.
Yeah, this must be his man's. Oh, I said girl driving.
Yeah, that's a girl. We thought it was us.
I was scared.